Hey there folks, welcome back to the homestead. What we're going to do today is we're going to try to get that beam put up there on that house using that backhoe. It doesn't have enough reach to make it. I'm going to have to figure out something for the front of it, get something stuck on there so I can reach over all that and try to hold it there while I get it bolted in place. So if you like what I got going on here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, pound that notification button so you can keep up with me, and let's get busy. All right folks, I'll show you what I've got going on here. I took this 4x12, actually it's a 4x10. It's 14 feet long. I put some 2x on each side of it. That way it'll keep it from rocking back and forth. Put a strap up here. This was actually just to hold it to start with, but it's a little extra reinforcement. You're not gonna pull that strap into. But then I took 12-inch long, 1/2-inch lag bolts, and I bolted it in from the bottom. That extends my little boom pole. It pushed it out another 8 feet. So I got my strap on the end of it. Now I'm going to try to pick up that beam, get it balanced, and see if I can't swing it over there. I've already gone up and over it. The strap clears. I can make it almost to center. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see if I can get the beam up there. All right, as you can see, it's up there. It wasn't that bad putting it up there, but getting it positioned in place, getting it level, square with the rest of the porch, that took a little while. I didn't video all that. Took about an hour. But I've got everything marked. Now I'm going to go up there. I've got to drill some holes through the decking, and then I'll move it back in position and I'll bolt it in from the inside of the house. So get that done right quick, and I'll get unhooked from this thing. And all right. Whoop. Heard something pop. Was that my phone? Nope. Don't sit on your phone. Put a couple of screws in here. Keep it from moving. Okay, now I'll go in and bolt it in from below. Take some of this stuff down with me. Won't be long. Oh, and I can cut doors and windows, put a floor in this thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, there it is. Move this ladder back around. I can go get untied from it. All right, there it is. I guess you can see it up here. It's all done, it's bolted in. Sometimes you just have to get creative. I did get a quote on a telehandler to rent a forklift. And I could have done it with a forklift, would have been about the same. It was $1,000 and I would have used it for maybe an hour. And I just couldn't see spending that kind of money for an hour. When I have stuff out here, I could modify or whatever. But yeah, it worked pretty good. Like I said, sometimes just get creative and make do with what you've got. Now let's try to get everybody fed. Pigs are already waiting on me. What are you doing, muddy girl? Chickens like having an extra room now that the meat birds are out. They can come down here and get a little sunshine. Come on down here and check the meat birds. See how they're doing. I set up a game camera. It's one of those game cameras that sends pictures to your phone, to an app, as soon as it takes it. So that way, if I have a bear comes out here, starts trying to get into the chicken tractor, and come out here and run it off. How much water they've got. Oh yeah, it's still full. They're all huddled down here under this other end, staying out of the sun. Got them a big stick bug walking along here. So the meat birds are doing good. All the animals are doing good. So that's it. Made it through another day. Tomorrow I'll start on the rafters for the porch. Try to get those done in the next day or two. Get that part decked, and then I'm gonna be over here on the backside. Backside's gonna be I won't say more difficult, but it's a lot taller. So a little more of a challenge, I guess. But hopefully here in a few weeks, this roof part will be finished. On to closing up the gable ends.